Do you want to do that sound? Okay, so now I'm going to go step by step how to do your fart sound. Step 1 is to get your hands like this. Step 2 is you just practice fast going like that. Step 3 is when you blow to make this go like, to blow like that. And then step 5, just try and go like this.